Hello and welcome to week 7's homework. So first thing on the list, keep practicing your phonograms. And then the new learning is going to be alphabetic principle. So pause here and open up the PowerPoint. All right, so now you're here in the PowerPoint. The objectives are here. What you're going to be doing is reading chapter 2. It's on the alphabetic principle. Your focus is going to be why is the phoneme the key, and the key to what? What is the alphabetic principle? And what was the National Reading Panel's definition of phonics? To put these, you also can use the handout here on alphabetic principle that I handed out in class. So please use that for taking notes. Okay. On the next slide, while you're doing that, also in page 68 of your notebook, who's Teresa? What will give her short-term improvements but not long-term? And what did Lisa come to understand? And you can use the same advice. Okay. And then in class, we're going to work on Rashid, Derek, Anisha, and Kurt's stories. So please read them so that we're able to discuss them in class. And here's the main focus. What do children need to know so they can read real words? Okay, so read those on top of it. And then submit those notes right there where it says pages 67 and 68, what you have down. And I will see you in class on Monday. Bye.